Atharva, and for my first song, I'll be playing what my dad calls an oldie but a goodie called Have You Ever Seen the Rain by CCR. Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, the storm is dead. It will rain, the storm.